So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-clear ng chat history sa ating CC app. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating CC account or yung ating CC app. And then, pagka-open guys, automatic mapupunta tayo dito sa pinakang chat history natin dito sa CC. So, kung gusto nyo guys, mag-clear lahat ng chat history ninyo dito, ang gagawin nyo lang is itap nyo lang itong 3 horizontal dots na nandito sa upper right corner. And then, dito naman guys, sa pinakang settings, is itap nyo ulit yung 3 horizontal dots na nandito pa rin sa upper right corner. And then, may magpa-pop up dyan guys na option. So, ang pipiliin nyo dito is yung clear chat history. So, tap nyo lang. And then, confirm lang natin, tap natin yung clear. So, lahat daw ng mga chat history natin dito sa CC is mag-clear. So, check natin, guys. And, ayan, kung makikita nyo, guys, na-clear na yung chat history ko dito sa CC. So, ayun lang, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-clear ng chat history sa ating CC app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And, thank you for watching!